Hey YouTubers, this is me, Shawn Santiago, making a bike check. So what we got here today is an Eastern Cobra Nitrous. I just installed Eastern slip pegs, left side, front and back. See the slits? One of the lightest pegs ever. With some Eastern handlebars and Eastern grips that really clear up the Eastern burr ends. And now I got an Eastern monkey tire, some Eastern clear pedals, some nitro seat, and then the chain somewhere it says Eastern in the chain. Some really nice sprocket. And it makes a lot of noise. Listen. It's a really light bike. Love it. And that's about it.